Hello， 大家好，我係 Evid。I'm Evid。I would like to introduce a chicken noodles today. I call it chicken peanut butter noodles。花生醬雞麵啊，今日就咁啊，睇到材料。首先呢，就有切碎咗嘅一啲花生啦。I cut it into tiny pieces。呢度有個 red pepper 紅椒，有個擔麵。蛋 noodles 同埋有啲雞肉。首先呢，我哋就將個紅椒咧就切絲先。We now cut the red pepper into pieces. If you like to make it hot and spicy, you can use chili. 如果你想咧要整得辣咧，真係可以用辣椒去整。咁啊，我就用紅椒先啦。然後我哋咧就拆雞啦。Then we tear the chicken meat into tiny little pieces like this. 絲雞絲，搞掂。Done here。喺煮麵之前，我哋做定個醬先。Before we cook the noodles, we do the peanut butter sauce firstly。首先我哋要用花生醬啦。咁我呢度有一隻係冇鹽嘅花生醬。Here I use a full tablespoon of unsalted peanut butter. That's a bit hard to be scooped because it's very thick. 咁啊用1湯匙，跟住加蘋果醋啊。We use apple cider, also 1 tablespoon. Light soy sauce 生抽1 tablespoon 1湯匙。李錦記蠔油 oyster sauce 1 tablespoon。Stir them very well until they're well incorporated。要等佢哋溶晒，主要其實係溶啲花生醬。咁你見到好結㗎嘛 ？It's very thick。So we need some hot water. 加啲熱水落去。Here I boiled some hot water for cooking noodles. So I dropped 2 tablespoons of hot water. 咁我煲緊麵啊嘛，準備煲麵，加2湯匙水落去。熱水攪會好啲啊 ，stir it well。攪完之後咧就可以流動到啊。It can run well. Cook noodles till it turns soft. 煮麵啊！咁啊，呢度啲麵煮好咗啦，我哋就連隨將佢放落去啲醬嗰度啦。We put the hot noodles to the sauce and throw some chicken. Place on the plates. Now you can put everything on top. The red pepper or chili, so it looks very beautiful. And also the chicken. Then more sauce on top. Then lastly, throw the peanut on top. Oh, very nutty, right? 抌晒嗰啲咁嘅花生上去，花生碎上去，冇靚咧。咁啊，我浸咗呢個 spring onion 啊，葱花，做下裝飾伴碟。So it's done， 做好啦。呢度有食俾大家睇啦，拆鬆一下俾大家睇啦。I need some chicken， 揾條雞先。Here, you see? Here. Very peanut， 好花生，好好食啊！You can't resist. Try.